how to do spot trading on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can do spot trading on Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to do spot trading on Binance, first of all, open up Binance and switch to Binance Pro. So tap on your Binance icon from the top left, and here you'll find Binance Pro. Simply switch to Binance Pro first. And once you have done that, you will set this interface where you have to go to trades. From the trades, you have to simply go to spot. So over here, you will be able to buy BTC and sell BTC. If you want to buy, you will be able to see the value of buying. Then you can also simply sell them for a certain amount of profit once you think that you've got a profit. So here you can tap on the buy option. If you want to buy, simply enter the amount of spot crypto that you want to buy. Tap on the buy BTC option. You can do P2P trading, bank transfer, digital wallet or whatever, or buy with USD, or transfer assets between your wallets. So you can choose to also buy with your USD instead. And then you can simply go ahead and then simply enter the amount that you want to buy. Then tap on buy option. Then you'll be able to simply buy them. And after that, you'll be able to do a spot trading. This way you can do spot trading on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.